We're standing outside my newest location in Century City, and obviously, as you can see, it's Video and Audio Center, which is incorporated with my custom division, Just One Touch. The design was created in such a way when people come to the mall, they don't have to have a permission or go through a very narrow door entrance into the store. The openness will let the consumer just fall into the showroom. Everything is by manufacturer. Each manufacturer has its own store within a store, and at the same time is easy touch, learn, and we have knowledgeable employees. We have created a platinum black card membership here, which enables the customers which holding the membership card to receive the survey, which is $150 at no charge, and additional savings on their installation. The new thing we did is, as you can see inside the store, we have a lot of appliances from LG and Samsung. The reason we got into appliances, because appliances now, they're very smart and they need to get integrated with every Just One Touch home.
We've become a technology destination point. People don't just come and say, gee, I think I want to have something installed in my house or my office or whatever. But when they come in, the total presentation is here. We've got brochures that show and actual photos of people's homes that we've done, custom theaters that we've done. And when they get a taste of this exciting, beautiful, cutting-edge superstore, we call it a technology showcase, not a retail store. People are just mesmerized and they want it now. So now they get introduced to Just One Touch, which is integrated into the Video and Audio Center exclusively. We have staff members of Just One Touch in every single store, including here. So they can talk to someone that really knows integration, installation, custom design.